Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off activity status and Instagram notes. That's actually that will not just affect your notes on Instagram, it will affect your Instagram account in general. I will be invisible for your followers and the ones that you follow, and for everyone on Instagram you will be offline. So let's go into our Instagram just to show you how you can turn off the activity status and Instagram notes, and as I told you in general. So let's go into Instagram, and yeah, you will be on the in the home page. I want to go through your profile. You will go and tap on your profile picture on the bottom right corner. After that, I want to head over into this three lines on the top right corner, tap on him, and right here I want you to go into the search bar and type show sorry show activity status. It's right here. So by going into this first option that will appear to you, you will have the option to hide your activity status. So by toggle it off just like that, you will be invisible, or it will turn off the activity status and Instagram in general, and yeah, also and Instagram notes. So it will affect every aspect on your Instagram account. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.